A warm welcome to everyone. My name is Arati KB. I am the writer, director, and one of the co-producer of our short film, The Thief Within. Like every filmmaker wish, I also want to bring out an unique concept or something that have not been discussed much. And if you've seen the film, the whole thing about bullying and the psychological disorder that one of the main protagonists has been something that I heard, felt, also seen in my personal life. The whole kleptomania thing, actually one of my sister's friend as, and that's the first time when I'm hearing about it, and the whole concept actually intrigued me so well. And imagine you having a condition like that and you can't express to anyone around you, and often the bullying has been seen for a very long time, and it's very heartbreaking to see those saddening news in social media and newspaper. So the whole concept about both things lies on the fact that I want to give voice to the voiceless. So if it's just definitely, it just came very organically to me to connect these two characters, which is a reflection of a shared human experience. While I was writing the script of The Thief Within, I was still in film school, and when I actually finished the script and narrated to my friends and crew members, apparently none of them understood the script, and that's exactly what drove me to making this film. While starting out the film, the biggest roadblock that we faced, and I think in considering any films, irrespective of the length, theme, and cast, it should come down to the factor of finance. Me and my co-producer Prajul decided it should be a zero-budget film, but because of the depth that the script demanded, we need to acquire finance and the money and everything, and that's what the biggest problem that we faced starting.
Coming to the human and financial resources, we mainly worked with the team that we had, as our main goal was to make a zero budget film. It was an amazing experience to work with the people we knew and what we had.
The biggest challenge I faced while making this film, The Thief Within, is to train all the actors that was part of this film, because having a script is a little bit complicated, especially it is unique. As I told, it's not been spoken around us. It was a little challenging to narrate to them that this is the limit that you can act in this film, and this is this point you need to stop doing it and stop doing that, because the whole concept of wall stalking, the bullying, the kleptomaniac was all very new and experimental, and it was very psychological. But I think all of my actors did brilliantly well. Especially the characters of Nadir and Idhant. It was little time taking process of making them getting ready for the characters before we are going to shoot, and especially while we are shooting, since we don't do it very linearly and everything, so I need to make sure that they are having this very flow in those scenes, very flow in the acting, and it was a little bit challenging. And the flashback scenes are there where I need to deal and narrate and direct this very cute little kids who was just studying in 3rd standard, 4th standard, and narrating to them was the greatest challenge, I would say, because they are not in the age to understand that. But I think me and my team did a good job, and those scenes are my favorite scenes in the whole film.
From the script to the shoot to the post production and seeing the film, everything has been very, very, very different as we envisioned, in a really good way.
The target audience of a film is everyone above 15 years of age. The unique selling proposition of our short film, The Thief Within, lies in its powerful and introspective narratives that dwells into the complexities of human behavior and psychological disorder, which is rarely discussed in mainstream films. The Thief Within stands out for its psychological depth, emotional resonance, the raw portrayal of bullying, the character development, and the social message that we are putting on to, especially through the creative and technical side of making. We are so grateful that our short film The Thief Within is officially selected and released in the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival YouTube channel through their short film release program. And we are looking towards for more distributors and for promoters for this film through Kolkata Short International Film Festival. I would like to tell the viewers that our short film The Thief Within is more than just a narrative. It's an introspective look into the human psyche, exploring the famous themes of mental health, redemption, and empathy in a captivating storytelling. It urges all the viewers to look beyond surface level judgments. To all the emerging filmmakers out there, just like me, I would like to share a small message. Create authentic stories that address important issues. Importantly, embrace your own artistic expression. There will be many people out there just waiting to point out all the flaws in your films. You and your films are perfectly flawed, and that's okay. Greetings to everyone involved in 13th Kolkata Shorts International Film Festival. To all the filmmakers, your passion, dedication, and creativity are truly inspiring. To the organizers, thank you for your relentless efforts in making this film festival a grand success. To the audience, your support and enthusiasm are lifeblood to all one of us. To the jury, me and my team extending an heartfelt gratitude for selecting our short film to this prestigious event. Here's to a successful 13th edition of Kolkata Shorts International Film Festival. May it filled with lot of unforgettable memories and amazing experience. Thank you.